Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm showing you guys how to pack multiple vehicles into one resource for a FiveM server. I play a lot of FiveM, and in order for some vehicles to go into the server to not have a crap ton of resources, you do have to pack the vehicles into one resource. I know there's videos out there on it, but every video that I have found is not really good at full out explaining it, so that's what I'm doing today for you guys. So sit back and enjoy, and let's get started on this. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download this zip file right here. It's going to come as renamed to your pack.zip. This is if you have 𝓮𝓸, 𝓮zip, any of those. Make sure you have one of those first. I will leave links to each of those in the description below. I will also leave a link to this download below in the description. So once you paste that link into your Google, it should automatically download the zip file. But once you do that, what you do is come over here, you open that, the stream folder right here, you open that up. Basically what you do is your vehicle files that you have, you open them up, open up the stream folder, highlight all of these and bring them into there, hit OK. Let's go ahead and go out of that one for now. We'll go to this one, go into the stream folder, highlight all of that, bring it over, put it into the stream. Okay, now that that's done, what we do is we go to the data folder and we have 𝓤𝓑 and 𝓢𝓨. So what we're gonna do, create new folder. As you can see right here, I made 𝓢𝓨 and I made 𝓤𝓑 to match up with over here. What we do with these is we open the 𝓢𝓨, we open this, open up the data folder, highlight all of this, bring it over, hit OK. Go back, open up 𝓤𝓑, same with over here, open up the data folder, highlight all of this, drag and drop, hit OK. And then you're done with the stream and data part. Now the next part, you open up this resource. You can either open it with your Visual Studio if you have that, Notepad++. So you come over here, and obviously here you see it says name of vehicle right there, folder name of vehicle. What you do is first you want to start by clicking underneath resource, hit enter, so it goes one space down, dash dash space. And the first one that we have in our data folder, I like to do it by the way it goes down the list. So the first one we have is 𝓢𝓨. So we'll do that. You highlight it, copy it, and then you highlight through all of these and paste it all the way down. I will go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. All right, now that we've done that, also down here there's going to be more sections that say file name or folder name of vehicle. Yep, it's going to say folder name of vehicle. So what you do is you also replace those with the first name of the file right here. Now this file is going to come with this also right here. I like to just delete it because personally I don't really use it. What you can do, honestly, what I just do is I copy all of this and then I come down here and I just paste it and I change the name. So with this is 𝓤𝓑, so you hit 𝓤𝓑, copy it, and then same with up there, you just paste it all the way down basically of everything that says 𝓢𝓨. Obviously your guys' file names might be different than mine, so you just paste it through all of those, and I will go ahead and do that and show you what it should look like when it's done. Alright, so everything is done. As you can see, these all say 𝓢𝓨 through here. These all say 𝓤𝓑 through here. Now make sure you file, save. Go ahead and X out of it after you save it. Yep, yes, I want to save. Alright, let's go back. And then you have to go back to here and rename it to, you know, your pack, whatever you name it. So since mine has to do with two dodges, I'm going to name mine both dodges. And then call that good. Now go back here. Oh, sorry. and then make sure that after you exit out of it, you rename the zip file, obviously, so you know what it is. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Both dodges. And then there it is. You're good to, you know, open it up. You're good to grab this file and drag and drop it into your FiveM server, wherever your vehicles go. If you're sending it to someone, unless you pay for, you know, Discord Nitro or something so you can send bigger files, you can always put it in your Google Drive. And then that way you can send it to someone through a Google Drive, you know, share it with them. That way they can download it. But other than that, I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you out. If there's anything else you need help with, feel free to put in the comments. If it, you know, was a good help to you, drop a like on the video, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.